So we're officially 1 week out from my expert testimony on Capitol Hill at the U.S. House of Representatives Small Business Committee's content creator hearing, where they are looking to hear from experts on what policy changes content creators need to support them as small businesses. And as both a creator myself and a lawyer for creators and also a small business owner myself, I am honored to be considered one of these experts to give testimony. I wanted to answer some of your questions about how this whole thing came to be. If you are new here or have been following me for a while, there's a little bit of backstory that I need to give you guys. I didn't just become the creator economy lawyer overnight. This has been something that I was working towards pretty much my entire life. I just didn't know it yet. Personal branding, how I carry myself, how I present myself as a dancer, as a student, as a law student, all of those things have led me to this exact moment. And it was the light bulb moment in 2021 when I was a 2L in law school that I got a brand deal myself and I asked a professor to help me negotiate it and review it, that I realized that I could provide this dedicated creator-first approach service to content creators, influencers, and bloggers, and any creative entrepreneurs in what would then become the creator economy. Back then it was still bloggers, it was influencers, it was digital marketing, and I knew that it was going to change the way we consumed content and the way we shopped and life as we know it. And I was honestly really grateful that one of my professors allowed me the opportunity to publish an article, write my thesis on this, and get published and start building my personal brand on LinkedIn, on TikTok, on Instagram as a lawyer for content creators pretty soon after I graduated from law school. I never intended to start my own firm, but I did, and I'm so grateful that I did. And ever since then, the last 2.5 years, 3 years, I've just been every single day showing up online authentically myself, championing creators' rights, whether it's IP and licensing and usage and exclusivity, or protecting their personal brands through trademarking and licensing their usage correctly through UGC or influencer deals, or representing talent managers, helping them negotiate their contracts for all of their talent on their roster. This has been a product of blood, sweat, and tears, and honestly, I never would have imagined that this opportunity would be possible. I didn't even know it was possible, nor did I believe it when it came across my desk. I got an email Tuesday, September 2nd, and I thought it was fake. I genuinely was so confused. I Googled the name of the sender. I realized she worked for the House. She was a staffer. I saw that she worked for the chairman of the Small Business Committee, and I emailed her back and said, "Hi, is this real? I have a couple questions before I can say yes to this. I need to understand more about this opportunity." She responded to me. We went back and forth a couple of times, and then we scheduled a call for Thursday. So last Thursday, I had a call with them for an hour where I really got to understand more about what this hearing would be and what the goals of the committee members and the chairman and the YouTube Creator Caucus that is helping put all of this together and hosting a reception for us afterwards, and who are the other experts. How can I be a part of this? What would my role look like? What time do I need to get there? What do I wear? Where is this going to be broadcasted? Is it going to be broadcasted? How can my family and my friends watch it since they can't come with me? What time do I need to get there? All of the things. And they answered all my questions. They connected me with the communications director of the Small Business Committee for the House, and I spoke with her on the phone, and I planned out my content strategy, and I realized, okay, this is really happening, and I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, engaging with me, challenging me, questioning me. I've learned so much in the last 3 years of being the creator economy lawyer, and I may be the face, but I'm not doing this alone. So your support means everything to me, and I am so glad I get to bring you guys along with me virtually. And yeah, ask me any questions.